This is my enhancement 6. Let me now go to the browser and see how the function works. I will try to log in with my details. It successfully logs in and gives me my information. I'll be able to log out, go there and log in using admin credentials. Sure enough, it logs in with admin. It portrays that information there, and then it gives me another link to be able to manage the vehicle management view. Let me log out. Let me attempt to navigate directly to the vehicles management and see what happens. So sure enough, it takes me back to the home side. Let me check the errors. So I think it's perfectly working. Okay, been able to get most of the things done.